Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be doing Suratul Kahf ayahs number 11 to 15. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 11 is فَضَرَبْنَا عَلَىٰ آذَانِهِمْ فِي الْكَهْفِ سِنِينَ عَدَدًا. So we caused them to fall into a dead sleep in the cave for many years. So when the young boys asked Allah to guide them in the matter, Allah put them to sleep in the cave for many years. Allah had a better plan for them. They put their complete trust in Allah and Allah took care of them. Ayah number 12 is Summa ba'asnahum lina'lama ayyul hisbaini ahsa lima labisu amada. Then we raise them so we may show which of the two groups would make a better estimation of the length of their stay. So finally, after many years, Allah woke them up from their deep sleep. They were not sure about the amount of time they slept. They disagreed on this matter and divided into groups, each group saying a different amount of time for which they slept. Ayah number 13 is نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى. So we relate to you, O Prophet, their story in truth. They were youths who truly believed in their Lord and we increased them in guidance. So from this ayah, Allah begins to explain the story in detail. He says that they were young men and they were more accepting the truth and more guided than their elders who had become stubborn in their ways and idol worship. Ayah number 14 is وَرَبَطْنَا عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِهِمْ إِذْ قَامُوا فَقَالُوا رَبُّنَا رَبُّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ لَن نَّدْعُوَ مِن دُونِهِ إِلَٰهًا لَقَدْ قُلْنَا إِذًا شَطَطًا. And we strengthened their hearts when they stood up and declared, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and earth, and we will never call upon any God besides Him, or we would truly be uttering an outrageous lie. So these youths truly believed in Allah, so Allah gave them courage and patience to oppose the people of their town and to leave behind their luxurious life for Allah and save their religion. Several scholars believe that they were the sons of really rich people of that society. The last ayah for today is ayah number 15. هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا. So then they said to one another, These people of ours have taken gods besides him. Why do they not produce a clear proof of them? Who then does more wrong than those who fabricate lies against Allah? So when these youth refused to worship idols, the people were really angry and informed the king of that time that who was also an idol worshipper. He warned these youths to stop what they were saying and come back to the religion of their forefathers. He gave them some time to think. This is discussion that in this ayah is basically the discussion that these youth have among themselves, that these people know nothing about Allah and they have no proof of why they worship idols. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further in my next video. Till then, fi aman Allah.